is something in the water. You guys know what I mean. It seems like if one person is having a baby, then you know so many people who are having babies. And then you're invited to so many baby showers, which is fun and exciting, but you're like, oh my gosh, what do I get? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. We have so many products with 31 that can be used for baby shower gifts, for baby bags, for kid bags, so many options. So here's the first option I have for you. This is actually a gift I'm giving next weekend for a baby shower. So this is the Your Way display bin. You can see that, it's just a little bin here that can sit tabletop, but it can hold so many things. It's shorter in the front, and then toward the back, it gets a little bit taller. So you can hold several different things in here. This is in the gray, the light gray. And so I have it paired with the double duty Caddy. So I love this Caddy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it with diapers and wipes, and then I'm gonna get some of those little travel size bottles like diaper cream and shampoos and little Q-tips and things to put on the side. So I use this, my little girl's a little over 3 right now, and so we use this for diapers in her room, just tabletop. So nice. So what I'm gonna do in the shower gift is I'm gonna put it in here just like this, and I'm gonna have some wipes in here. I'm gonna have this thing filled with diapers, and she can use this in the baby's room however she'd like. So this is the Your Way display bin and the double duty Caddy. And so then I have here, this is the Retro Metro bag. So this would be a great bag for a new mom. It can hold so many things. It's so huge. And if you pair it with our zipper pouch, so these little zipper pouches are great for the car, just to hold diapers and wipes if you need extras. Whoops, excuse me. And then I also have one of these in my daughter's room, so we keep like her diaper cream, the thermometer, all those little extra things that you need when Tylenol, Advil, all those little things. So these are great to put down inside of another bag. Also, we have our statement canvas, a zip top pouch. So it's a little zipper pouch right here, and you can actually upload your own photos in there. So maybe she has a picture of an ultrasound. You can take a picture of her ultrasound photo and then have it printed on here, or like a newborn picture. So cute. So I love these little pouches. These are just great to keep things separate in your bags. So this is the Retro Metro bag. We also have the casual cargo bag. So this is such a great bag for a mom. She can put things in the front, little snacks in here. She can keep her cell phone back here. It zips closed on the top, and it can hold so many things. Bottles, sippy cups on the sides with the elastic pockets. Zipper pouch back here. You could keep diapers and wipes. So many uses for this. Or if she'd like to be hands-free, here is the Adventurer's backpack. I love this. So you've got a huge pocket on the front. You have elastic pockets on the side that can hold water bottles, sippy cups. And then on the back, of course, this is a backpack. You've got the handles right here if you need to grab it really quick. And then it opens up really wide. So you've got that wire rim that stays open. And then on the inside, there's so much organization. There's 3 elastic pockets, 2 on the end and then 1 on the big end, or 2 right here and then 2 on the ends. And then this little pocket right here is actually a thermal pouch with elastic bands in there. So she wants to keep her bottles standing up straight, just slide them in those elastic bins. So this is the Adventurer's backpack. And then the last thing I have to share with you guys is it's our number 2 selling product. We use it for everything, but why do we not think about using it for a baby bag? It is the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. This is so handy for kids. You guys know, but it's a great baby bag. So you could put toys. It's a great little baby shower gift too. Toys, diapers, or bottles, all those little things, extra things. And then it has a zip closure on the top and can hold so many things. So I hope that when you are shopping shopping for, baby shower gifts and things, that you will consider 31. We have so many options for you.